Hey, it's me. I know that you haven't been picking up. I had to call you. I had to get in touch with you. I need to talk to you for a moment.
Whose phone is this? What number is this?
It's just a different number, and it's because you wouldn't pick up my texts and my calls, and I need to talk to you.
Yeah, I blocked your number.
Yeah, clearly, and I'm just trying to say that, like, you can't just never talk to me again, like, for the longest time. You have to at least let me explain, like, what you saw is not the whole story of what you think you saw. Like, I understand that you're pissed, and I'm sorry because I agree that what I did was inappropriate.
Inappropriate? What do you mean inappropriate, Michael?
It's inappropriate. I'm agreeing with you.
You invaded my privacy. You violated my privacy.
I didn't violate you. I took that time on your computer to check something out. That's it. I didn't violate you.
There's something seriously wrong with you.
No, there's nothing wrong with me. Okay. There may be. You know what? I'm grateful to hear that from you because now that helps me to like understand. No, it helps me to understand that now I have some work to. Fucking call you back. I don't give a fuck.
Your call has been forwarded to
I'm just gonna.
Your call has been.
That's what we do. We bring the boom.
Make more in a month than what you make in a year.
Look at Jesus hugging a minion.
Understand this, you're in a system where everybody's being surveilled.
Cheese sticks are oh my God! It's like a spider web of cheese!
Do you want to stop being a beta cuck?
I'll show you the secrets. Put your phone down.
Reject the matrix. Take the trap pill challenge. Go outside. Look at this beautiful landscape. Reject the 5G. Don't be a soy boy. Stay hard.
Here are 5 apps to get you started on your journey.
Have you read this?
No.
It's good.
Is it good?
Yeah. Really good. I've listened to the audiobook.
Dude, what the fuck? I've been trying to get a hold of you for hours.
Okay, what's
You're
up?
blowing up.
Yeah, I'm getting a million fucking messages on my computer right now.
Have you not been on the internet? The whole internet's talking about it.
Talking about what?
They're saying it's you.
They're saying what is me? Like, you gotta give me some context here. I have no clue what you're talking about. Send me what you're looking at.
Just search your name right now.
Fuck.
Did you Google it?
My name is Michael McLuhan.
I'm watching this shit.
I am a member of the Green Fist. We are striking back against the corporations destroying our planet. Today's events was meant to convey a message. We will
that looks
continue
just
to
like you.
dismantle
It does not look just like me. It's clearly not me.
All right, go through all your accounts right now. Change
Just
every
stop
password.
for a second. Stop for a second. What?
Your passwords. Change all your passwords right now.
I'm gonna call the cops right now.
No,
I
hold
can't
on.
fucking talk to you. Dude, my every account that I have has been hacked.
You got a target on your back.
Like who would do this to me?
Who do you think would do it?
I don't know. That's what I'm trying to tell
People
you.
that run this shit.
That runs
The
what
powers
shit?
that be. Obviously, this is a parapolitical hit. You know, multiple agencies, CIA, FBI, NSA, all coordinating. You're the patsy. They picked you.
I honestly don't know what you're trying to tell me right now. Like, I don't know what to do with that information. You've got to help me. You've got to fucking
Just
help
gotta
me. You
come
know
over.
a lot
You can't
more
call
about-
anybody.
I can't
You
call
gotta
fucking
come to me.
anybody. You've got to call people
Come
from
over.
your phone.
I don't know why you're there still. You should be on your way now.
Okay, I'm gonna come over to yours. Don't go anywhere.
Where would I go?
Okay, stay right there.
Turn off your camera.
Fuck.
Where's he running from?
And I'm sorry because I agree that what I did was inappropriate.
Inappropriate?
It's inappropriate. I'm
You
agreeing with
invaded
you.
my privacy. You violated my privacy. You call it inappropriate?
I thought you bailed. Took you so long. You hear the news?
What?
On your phone? Did you see it?
I'm locked out.
They got that guy. They call him the terrorist. The Green Fist guy.
Who is it?
I don't know, some kid in outside of Atlanta.
You're good. False alarm. You can relax. You're good. Do you want some of this?
Yeah, hi. I've been trying to get in touch with someone for a while. I've been locked out of my email account after I was framed for a terrorist attack. I just need to speak to like a real person.
Please state the purpose of your call.
Locked out of email.
For email-related questions or concerns, please visit our website and click on the Help tab.
No,
Have a
no, no.
nice day.
Wait.